Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you're here. Today we are going to do a quick unboxing of a weird little something I picked up on, I think it was last Tuesday, on Tuesday's Insomniac's Sit and Spin, which is, if you're watching this on Tuesday, today that goes out this afternoon, tonight, 10:15, come by, hang out for some Insomniac Sit and Spin. First off, real quick, I just want to say thank you to the channel members. Appreciate you guys, and thank you to all of you who come in, who watch my content, support the channel. I appreciate all of you. If you're so inclined and you hadn't had a chance yet, if you hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, it does really help me out. I'm going to take my little Amazon titanium butterfly razor knife, and I'm going to get into this. And I bought this. I don't know why I bought it. It was just bizarre and useless kind of looking. And I figured I'd buy it so y'all didn't have to, maybe. And maybe it's going to be really cool. Alright, so the Otacle, Olight, I guess, Otacle, Damascus, Keychain, Hatchet, A1 Nano. So, there's that. So yeah, it's a little Damascus steel and leather, key ring, hatchet, box opener allegedly. Little shrunk wrap like a piece of beef jerky. Nice and jerky-like. Jerky. Open my jerky package. Got a little troll candy in there. Alright. So, we have got a key ring, which I guess is right there. If I wanted to put that on my pack or something, on one of my little carabiners. Why? I don't know. Troll candy, we'll put that somewhere. Little box, we'll keep that. Let's see what we got here. We got this little nice leather sheath. I will give it that. And then check this out. Check that. Check that out. Check that weird shit out. Get some paper. Whoops. Alright, I did not expect it to cut that well. There's bite on the top. Did you see that? That little top area? Because I think that is yeah. So it cuts cardboard, guys. I don't think I'm going to be hacking any trees with it. But we were, and if you guys were watching with me last Tuesday night, I think we were just browsing websites, and I went to DLT. I'm not, I'm in a knife buying freeze, and saw this little thing, and it was 29 bucks, and it looked just weird, right? And I figured it'd make an eventual Friday Night Flicks maybe giveaway, to use it for some weird content. check it out, you know, see if I actually would use it. Because I don't think it's got any type of, I was curious how thick it was going to be, if this might be pry bar type. What was the purpose of this? And obviously it's just a novelty. Key ring, backpack, pull, zip, you know, or whatever you want to say there. I could see that this angle, and I think this is a recreation of some type of axe. I don't know patterns of axes, but that is kind of definitely, you've got a little jimping there, and then you got this jimping up here. I've got thin fingers, so that point's not hitting me, but I would think if you had meaty sausage fingers, that's going to dig into your hand, so that would be a no bueno in a big way. But I think probably it's not intended to be held like that. I think it's probably intended to be pinch gripped, kind of like that. You know, I don't know. We'll see. I'll let you know if I think it's an actual usable, functional piece. But what it is unique, and it is on the description. Now again, that's just the description. It talks about how many layers it is of Damascus. I don't know if it's layers of Damascus or if it's lasered Damascus pattern. I cannot really tell. But the leather, let me smell it, give it a smell test. It doesn't smell like anything, but it looks kind of nice. I think that's just because they've, you know, that'll probably change over time. Maybe they just done some, we'll see. It's got the little rivet that holds it in there. Got your little sheath. I did not know it had this little clasp, which is terms of keeping it from cutting you when you're not using it. I think that's very effective. I think that's a big win because it covers all the blade. There's no part of the blade that is going to be exposed. But for a novelty item, for a box opener, you know, again, I was cutting cardboard where I'd actually be just cutting into something to open it up. And you could see just running that along that there, it cut it right open. So it's definitely going to be functional for something like that. But we'll check it out. We'll see what it's all about. This is, where did I put the box? Where did I put the box? Oh, I put it behind me. And it got, this is the Otacle Damascus Keychain Hatchet. I'll be honest with you, I'll put a link to it at DLT, or I'll see if I can find it somewhere else, because DLT is currently sold out of them. I probably bought the only one. The A1 Nano Damascus Keychain Hatchet. The image is for reference only. Actual product color may vary. And it's actually smaller. So there you go, guys. Pretty cool. We'll check it out. Let's see what we think. See if it's worth 30 bucks. You know, who knows? Depends on what you're after, right? If you're after a hatchet because you want to go cut shit down, it's not worth 30 bucks. Don't go there. If it's a whimsical box opener you're looking for, or something portable to cut string, we'll see how it works doing that. Guys, I love each and every one of you. Again, sit and spin Tuesday night, 10:15, if you're up, kind of for insomniacs like me. But do me a favor, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your hearts. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.